Welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday the 7th of July, non-farm payrolls Friday. Let's look at cable. Cable was a bit choppy, and the reason it's choppy is because we had that sort of bull counter yesterday. That's been taken out today by a disappointing industrial production read-through. Let me show you here, disappointing industrial production. Negative 0.2 when it is expected to be positive. Yeah, that doesn't look great on industrial production or manufacturing production. All data pretty much negative. It is a problem for the UK, and certainly going forward, that will be a weight on sterling. UK data continues to disappoint, even though we've got the Bank of England, which seemingly sort of trying to set us up for a rate hike. I just don't see it anyway. But yeah, so we are down on cable, 50 ticks, and it's the support at 12,890 could now come under pressure. It's sort of not a million miles off that. Here we can see the hourly chart, whereby basically the market had been sort of drifting lower in a correction, found support and pulled higher yesterday, but again that sharp move to the downside today on the back of that industrial production number. This is still a bit of a rangy play, you could argue, but the RSI on the hourly chart is sort of approaching 30, isn't it? And a move below 30 would not be great. Certainly would not be great for that support at 128.90. And you would argue still, I think that sort of you're generally positive within this range, whilst trading above 127.75. But again, if that's a lower high and breaks down to make another lower low, that doesn't look all that great, does it? So we could turn into a bit of a more corrective outlook today if we do see a test and breakdown of that 28.90 level. So you got payrolls today, a strong payrolls report in the wake of this disappointing industrial production number for the UK. I don't think that's going to be that great for cable, and that's going to sort of turn the market lower. 28.90 support, then subsequently 28.60, you can argue, being an old breakout level. 28.60, that reaction high there, but then you're sort of back into the realms of 27.75, and I think we could well be on the way towards that if the market really does get on the back of this sort of downside move on sterling. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.